Curious about boosting your Magento store's sales with powerful analytics? Wondering how to use data to drive better business decisions? Stay tuned to discover top Magento sales analytics extensions and learn how to set up Google Analytics to transform your store's performance. Let's first understand what is Magento Sales Analytics. Magento Sales Analytics tracks sales data on Magento stores. It collects data on sales, customer behavior, and store health. This data helps businesses make informed decisions to boost sales and improve customer experiences. Now, let's look at the uses of Magento Analytics Dashboard. Magento Sales Analytics provides accurate data for better sales strategies. It helps identify effective methods, ensuring efficient resource use. Track sales performance, trends, and product success. Adjust inventory and marketing efforts based on data insights. Understand customer behavior and preferences. Personalize marketing efforts for better engagement and satisfaction. Analyze sales patterns to maintain optimal stock levels. Prevent overstocking and stockouts. Predict future sales for better planning. Prepare for busy seasons and allocate resources effectively. Tailor marketing strategies using sales data and customer behavior analysis. Improve ad campaigns and maximize ROI. Improve product offerings and services based on customer data. Boost customer loyalty and retention. Now let's look at how Magento Sales Analytics works first. It collects sales data from transactions and customer interactions. Next, it integrates data from multiple sources, such as POS and CRM systems, to ensure consistency. The data is then meticulously cleaned and organized for accurate analysis. Using advanced statistical methods, Magento identifies patterns and trends within the data. Comprehensive reports with key metrics are generated and shared with stakeholders. And finally, data is visualized through intuitive charts and graphs for better understanding. Lastly, let's have a look at the top 5 Magento Sales Analytics extensions. SavvyCube provides detailed, customizable reports for sales, products, and customers. Enhances decision-making with data-driven insights. RedChamps displays analytical information about product sales and customer demographics. Improves targeted marketing strategies. AheadWorks offers advanced sales analytics and detailed reports. Helps optimize marketing campaigns. MageWorks provides comprehensive reports for sales, customers, and products. Aids in strategic planning and forecasting. Amnesty offers a reports module for data analysis and customization. Supports business growth with strategic data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Magento store.